Tube, let's do this. Now, in my APS video, I might have glazed over this a little bit quickly because I was trying to get it done. But what I've actually done here is I've shortened this rail. And because I was in here with a Dremel, you know, I've radiused the gearbox in there as well. Because why not? I'm there. Might as well do it. So yeah, so this is actually what I did here. And the reason that I've done that is that so when you have the gel blaster cylinder head and cylinder in there, the tablet plate can move the full distance. So basically, if the rail ends right up the front here where they usually do in these gearboxes, then you can only, the tablet plate can only move this far and then it hits the rail. So yeah, no, just remove that little bit of the rail just so that it can get the full distance. Okay, so the mechanical modifications to the gearbox in here have been done, and I fitted the Wells tappet plate and the Wells cylinder and aluminium cylinder head as well. So now, as you can see, it's got the proper amount of motion in the nozzle for a gel blaster. I have actually greased these gears and shimmed them. One of the things you may notice, there's not a lot of grease on there, and basically what I did is I got the grease on my finger and I've just rubbed grease into the teeth of the gears. You don't want to smash too much grease into it because your circuit board for your Titan FET, well, it's electrical and you don't want to fill it with grease. So it's a fine balancing act. You want lubrication on your gears, but you don't want to fill your circuit board with grease. Alright, so now I'm going to get the plunger in there and I've got to put the top part of the FET in, and then we'll stitch this all up and get it going. Alright, just going to fit the top half of the Titan FET in there, and then I will pop the top of this gearbox on and put it together. Probably not for the last time. Seemed pretty easy. Alright. The next thing we got to sort out here is the selector plate. Let me flip this over. Now, if you take a look inside here, you can see there's some LEDs and some sensors there. And those sensors would actually activate your safety and your select fire. Now, from what I understand, they're like an optical sensor. They reflect light off of this depending on what position it's in. And if your selector plate, like mine, is black, it doesn't reflect the light. So to sort this out, you are provided with a bunch of stickers which are reflective, which have to be stuck onto the back of this plate. But there's 3 types of stickers here, and it seems like they have a varying thickness of black line. I guess that's to do with calibration of where the reflective surface starts. Different plates might be different. I don't know. I'm probably just going to start with the white one and see if that lines up correctly, and if that doesn't work, I'll move to the next ones. I haven't seen anywhere any instructions or anything which explain why you would need these different types of stickers. I understand the theory of it. Obviously, you've got to, if your tappet plate's slightly different to other tappet plates, then it's going to be in a different position. But I'm just going to go with a sticker, and we'll go from there. See how that goes. In order to test this, I'm going to pop it into this lower so that I've got an idea of whether or not the fire select actually works. Should fit in. All right. Okay, so I've got the gearbox into this lower, and you may have noticed this little device on the end of the power cable here. That's the USB link, which is pretty interesting because it's connected to the power cable, so it's obviously using some funky protocols to process data through the power cables here, because you've only got, anyway, I thought that was pretty cool. So that connects to your one of your USB leads that came in the package, and when you've got that connected, you can open up your gate software, and then you can use it to test the sensors. So you can check your trigger sensitivity, and check that your fire select functions in the way that it should. And there's also a gear sensor for the sector gear, which I'm not going to show you how that works because I've got it all together and it's difficult for me to spin it. But yeah, that all looks like it is functioning in the correct manner. That's pretty much it. No, there's one more thing. Okay, so the next thing we've got to sort out is mag contacts and wiring, because obviously this is being designed for airsoft. They don't have electric mags, and so we have to sort that out. All right, we'll sort that out next. Look, I'm really sorry, guys, but this is all I got time for tonight. I've got to pack it up. So subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notifications when my next video is going up, so I can finish this off, get this mag terminal business sorted out. Yeah, don't forget to buy me a coffee. some people don't understand what that's about. I'm just going to quickly tell you what that's about. This isn't my job full time. This is just a hobby, so I can't support this without you guys, and I really appreciate all you guys supporting me. So if you just want to, like, swing a couple of bucks, buy me a coffee, there is a link down there to buy me a coffee. Also, if you email me, I've got patches. I just got a new batch in yesterday or the day before. So if you want to get your hands on one of my patches, shoot me an email, and I can ship them out Australia-wide. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to tune in. There will be part 3 of this where I finish getting the mag terminals and everything sorted out on this, but I'm just out of time. So I will catch you on the next time. Peace out, everyone. Peace out, all the people up in Queensland that I caught up with. Too many names to remember. All right. Thanks again for watching. Sorry this is going on and on, but it is what it is. These things take time. I'm sorry. All right. Catch up.